Now, the next is series. Now, what is this field series? What is the meaning of the first of all series? The series means like the in mathematical terms. There may be many meaning, but in the mathematics and statistics, the meaning of the series is the list of the number or data generating according to some pattern or the rule. What is that? Say if suppose what is that, this pattern. Sometime if I'm going to the one example, 2, 3, so this is the series, like pattern following, it is increased by 1. See, yeah, this is called the series. For example, if I go like this, 2, 4, okay, 6, this is like even number pattern. You can see 8, 10, this one, this is called the series. To the series, now step value starts from the 1. Okay, if I wanted to stop this value on the 8, put it here 8, keep it in the linear. Okay, the linear means the step value here is 1, it will add by 1. Okay, this is the linear, it will get add by 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this linear. Okay, it will stop on the 8. The next we will see the copy the range of the series, range of the cells. Okay, go to the series. Now this time I will put it the growth. Now growth by 2, just 2 I'll put. Just see in the column, make it okay. The growth by 2, see 2, this will get multiply. 2, 2 into 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2 is 16, 16 into 2 is 32. So this is the growth by 2. Next, make it undo, we will do it again. Copy the range of the cell, go to series, click on the series. This time we will see the growth by 3. Now this is a growth by 3. Okay, see here, 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 3s are 54. This is a growth by 3. Okay, let's see one more thing. Copy the range of the cell, go here, series. Okay, now the linear step value is 3. This is linear. Okay, you can see the step value is 3. 3 in the sense 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11. So that. Words. This is a Monday, Tuesday is a this. These are not the numbers. These are not the numbers, but this is a weeks. So for this we cannot put linear or the growth or the date. We have to put up the autofill. See, autofill. Automatically this will become inactive. Make it okay. Automatically the Monday, Tuesday, this one is will get filled. The same way, this is a month in the words and not the numbers. So again for this one also, autofill only. This will not work. Okay, make it okay. See, this is the your automatically filling up the month. Now these are the extended format of the date. Select the range of the cell, go to the series. This time what we will do, we will do the linear. Okay, one by one we will see how the changes we can see one by one on the same extended format of the date. Linear how it works, growth how it works, date autofill how it works. This by one we will try. Now the linear, let's see how the linear works. Okay, see, you can see only 1 2 3 4, the month remains the same, only the date is changing. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8. So when we choose the linear, okay, this go. The second time if we go, this time we are selecting the growth. Okay, and make it okay. No growth is there because it is a 1. The same number is come from up to the down. Okay, I'll make it undo. Okay, again select, go to the series, growth, growth by 2 we will make sense. See, this is 2 and okay. This time see, it is coming. See, you can see here it is 137. Okay, this is a January month only, but the years are got see multiplied. This is 2024. 21 but this one's got multiplied. So when we are doing the series for the such type of the date, extended date, then we should select only the linear, okay, linear, or the date, or in this date we have to select either day, weekday, Monday, or year. This is deleting the day. One, okay. See, if we select, go to the date and select the day, then we get exactly 1 2 3 4 5 6. Month remains the same, year remains the same. So therefore when our data is the date type, then in such cases, okay, select the this range of the cell. In such cases we need to click the date, okay, date, and then we have to select the whichever we want, like day, weekday, month, year, whatever. Now this time I will select the weekday. Okay, make it okay. See, you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 is not 5 6 is not there, 7 is not there, because this is just the weekdays and off days are not there. Okay, next we'll see how this series is working for the when the series is month. Make it okay. See, this time our day remain the same, the month is changed. Okay, now let's change the year. If we click on this, it will change the year. See, you can see this is changed the year. Now this pasting here. Let's see one more type. What happens if we, what happens, select the range and see what happens if we click in the series month and start from 2. Okay, you can see it got alternate. See, month got alternate 1 3 5 this, because it is not, we put it second, so leaving the second, the day third month is coming. So the alternate month is showing in the series. So this is coming in the series. The next is justify. Now what is this justify? This is fill justify. Okay, how to make the use of justify, fill justify in our Excel. Let's see. Suppose when we have, okay, when we have the data which is when we have the data, text data or any other data which are in the very long form, you can see this is extended to, you know, another page also. See, it's very long. So how to bring this data in the few columns or few space? Let's see. Just select this data, and where you want to bring this data, select that range of the cell. Okay, and click on the justify. Your data is come, you know, now you can very well read what is the your this sentence, what is your data. I'll make it this undo. See, if for example, if you select only the this much range of the cell and make it justify, then you will get one box stating that, you know, this pop-up will come and they will say that text will extend below selected range. See, this is means what? this text will extend, the text will extend below the selected range because we have selected only the 3 rows. Okay, so therefore they are giving the they are instructing that the text will extend below the selected range. Whether it is okay, yes, for each okay, it can go below the selected range. Okay, yes. If we are not okay, then again we need to make this, some changes in this. We can extend here, see, and then we can select the 3, and then we can justify it. See, now it is come on only 2 lines. So this is regarding the text when it is a very long form. The next is when the data is in such forms. When it is on the multiple lines, we can bring this data on one line only. Let's see how this is. Okay, I have selected the some range of the cell, and I want this data in the one line in my selected range of the cells. Just justify it. Just justify it. You got it in the one line. Okay, same way, when it is in the one line, you can again bring it in the multiple line. Just go that if this means it is a vice versa also can happen in the, okay, in the justify only. See, it become vice versa, it come on the multiple line. So this is